What is a rabies titer test for cats? Have you ever wondered how we can be sure that our furry friends are protected from rabies after they receive their vaccinations? A rabies titer test for cats is a great way to find out. This test measures the level of rabies virus-neutralizing antibodies in a cat's bloodstream. It helps us determine if a cat has developed a strong enough immune response after getting the rabies vaccine. The term titer refers to the concentration of these antibodies found in a blood sample. To perform this test, a veterinarian will draw a blood sample, usually from a vein in the front leg of the cat. This sample is then sent to a specialized laboratory that focuses on rabies antibody testing. At the lab, the serum from the blood sample is mixed with live rabies virus and tissue culture cells. If the cat's blood has enough antibodies, they will neutralize the virus, stopping it from infecting the cells. The results are reported in international units per milliliter. A level of 0.5 international units per milliliter or higher is generally seen as sufficient for protection according to international health guidelines. It is important to note that this test does not diagnose a rabies infection. Instead, it confirms that the cat's immune system has responded effectively to the rabies vaccine. A positive titer test indicates a reduced risk of the cat developing rabies if exposed to the virus, but it does not guarantee complete immunity. From a preventative pet care standpoint, rabies vaccination is a core part of keeping your cat healthy, especially in areas where rabies is common. The rabies titer test is especially important for cats that are traveling internationally. Many countries have strict rabies control measures and requiring proof of adequate rabies antibodies for pet import regulations. Without a satisfactory titer test result, a cat may be denied entry or even placed in quarantine. Understanding the rabies titer test is helpful for pet owners planning international moves with their cats. It ensures compliance with health regulations and helps avoid any travel hiccups. Veterinarians play a key role in guiding owners through the vaccination and testing process. Timing is important, as the test is usually performed several weeks after vaccination to allow the immune system to respond properly. Regular rabies vaccination remains the foundation of prevention. The titer test serves as an additional step for specific situations, such as international travel or for cats with uncertain vaccination histories. In summary, the rabies titer test is a specialized blood test that verifies a cat's immune response to rabies vaccination. It is an important tool in preventative health care, especially for cats that need to meet international travel requirements.